Is your WhatsApp backup stuck at 80%, 90%, or 95%, or even 99% on your iPhone? This can happen because of network problems or large backup sizes. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the WhatsApp backup issue on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have a strong internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try airplane mode turns on and off. Solution 1. Check iCloud storage and enable iCloud Drive. First, open up the settings. After that, tap on the Apple ID profile. Next, tap iCloud. Tap Manage Storage. Make sure you have enough space in iCloud. Free up the space if you see your iCloud storage is full. After checking iCloud storage, now go back, tap Drive here. Make sure to turn on Sync this iPhone option. Solution 2. Sync WhatsApp. Open up the settings. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Clear WhatsApp cache. Open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find WhatsApp app here. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings again. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Network Settings again. And after the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not.